up, guys? This is the Nemesis Coupe with another video, and today I'm working on the Dodge Dart. Given the current situation with the coronavirus and COVID-19 and all that happy stuff, I'm gonna wait until this plane passes. That's a helicopter. Never mind. All right, so one of the codes that I was getting for this car was the P0105 code, which is the basically the map sensor, the barometric pressure sensor, which is this little guy right here. And as you can see, that is nasty looking. And basically it's just saying that, you know, no circuit or no signal. And basically it just failed. So we are in the process of ordering the part at the moment, but just wanted to show you guys, you know, the progress and everything on fixing this gigantic piece of crap. Now that's where it would sit, and then this is the plug for it. You know, it'd plug in right there. Just to get to it, I had to take a whole bunch of things apart, but some things you're gonna need is a flathead screwdriver, a 1/4-inch drive ratchet extension, and for the screws, they're Torx screws. They are a T20 for both of them, keeping this bracket on and also holding this sensor in. They're about $130 to like $200 and some dollars. I'm gonna try and find one. Mopar, I think, has them for about $130, and then it's like $30 extra for shipping. So I'm just gonna go ahead and order that and replace it. Hopefully this thing starts, and then I can go from there. So until then, I mean, this is just how it's gonna sit. Also, in order to even get to any of this, I had to remove a 10mm screw there and a 10mm screw here. And in order to remove the engine cover, it is also two 10mm screws, and then there is a 10mm screw here holding the oil cap retainer in, which is this thing, which holds the, I guess there's some grooves in it and holds it in place. But that's pretty much it. So just a 10mm socket, T20 Torx bit, and a flathead screwdriver. All for that little guy right there. And then after I get that replaced, and if it starts, then I'll replace the upstream O2 sensor, and then hopefully we can just sell it for what we owe on it, and that'll be the end of it. And it'll be gone, thank God. But until next time, see you guys later.